My name is Violette Impellizzeri and I'm an NRAO scientist working at the joint ALMA Observatory in Chile. We're in the ALMA Control Room right now. This is where the astronomers sit and take data. The telescope is never closed, it's always going. Christmas, New Year, all the holidays, there's always somebody here working. So every big screen is showing us different statuses. On the right, there's a big screen that shows us all the antennas. There are 60 antennas at the site at the moment, and different colors will show you different statuses of those antennas. The big screen above the observer tells us what's happening in terms of atmosphere. We have to carefully monitor that to make sure that we're observing in the best conditions. In radio astronomy, you can observe during the day. In other observatories, optical observatories, they'll only be observing when it's dark. At the moment, we're observing with 51 out of 66, but that's also because we're changing configuration. We're moving from a more extended configuration to a more compact, so as antennas get pulled in, we have to reintegrate them into the array. We started observing about an hour ago, so we did early diagnostics. We start with checking that the antennas are doing well, which tells us at what band we can observe, depending on the weather.